Hi guys, we are in a new video from Newlacecu office where we let you see a new stock air system. This is super thin skin STS 0.02 mm, the thinnest in the world. This skin system is in color 1 Indian hairs, but we have also European hairs. This is straight tone, but we can make also with the waved hairs. We have all colors, also white hairs. I let you see the base. It's a no shine base. It's a transparent base. 24 cm front to back, 20 cm side to side. I let you see now the front effect. It's totally undetectable. One knots, one hair, and the base disappear totally in my skin. See, here it's the base totally disappeared. This is the best front in all world, also better than lace system and Swiss system. This system is very good because it's easy to clean, easy to put. It gives a strong adhesion, but it has a defect. This system can dure from a month to max 3 months. So it's a system only for client that wants undetectable hairline and then don't think about to change a lot of time the hair system. If you need a strong hair system, its system is not to you. I hope that you like this video. We see next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, activate the bell. We see next video. Bye.